Our recommendation is to open Learning Chess in the Google Chrome browser. Let's try to open a lesson. Oops, we have a problem with Adobe Flash. Don't worry, just click on the green secure text before the URL. Find Flash in the drop-down menu. Enable it by choosing the Always Allow on this site option. After a few clicks, the lesson will start. You need to do this setup only once. If you don't have Chrome installed, don't worry. You can easily install it with your existing browser from google.com/Chrome webpage. Thank you for your attention.